Morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z, good to see you, sir. Z, we're gonna keep it simple today. Ever since we went to Sessions, I've been craving meatball sandwiches.
You had that meatball sandwich and I didn't.
You tasted it.
Meatball sandwich. Give me more. You're loving it. You're swimming in it.
Meatball sandwich. If I could swim in a pool of those meatballs, I'd dive right in head first, man.
Balls all over your face. Balls.
You've taken that way too far, Z. I kind of want to go on a hunt. I want to find the area's best meatball sandwich. Are you down to travel that journey with me to find Orange County's finest meatball sandwich?
Balls it is.
Balls it is. Let's start with Jerry's Deli in South Mission Viejo.
Let's do it.
So today I didn't start out thinking I was going to go to meatball sandwich. I was actually interested in spaghetti and meatballs. The more and more I searched for spaghetti and meatballs, the more and more meatball sandwiches popped up, which made me think about Sessions and how much I love that sandwich. Jerry's Deli, Mission Viejo. And before you guys get all twisted up here, this is not the famous Jerry's Deli. I think there's one in LA, but this is not that place. I don't know if there's any affiliation, but I doubt it. Let's give Z the camera, see what he can get to. You know what? I'm gonna take control of this bitch for a second. Nice handoff, see? Welcome back. Hey, all right. I think it's in here. That was easy. All right, Jerry, where are you? There you are, Jerry. Can I order 2 meatball sandwiches?
Small, like the large one, please.
Yeah, large, please. Jerry's Deli.
Oh man, a fool.
What'd you think?
Oh, I'm so full. That was a big sandwich.
It was big.
Jumbo size.
Yeah.
It was good.
Right.
But I still think Sessions is better.
Okay, and that's okay. I am completely happy with Jerry's Deli. I mean, that sandwich was twice the size of Sessions, and it was half the price.
So if I were to just grade the sandwich,
Yeah.
just on its own, the meat, the bread, the cheese, I'd give it like a 6.5.
Whoa.
7. It was a good sandwich, but there was nothing that's gonna make me remember the sandwich. I would come back for the price.
Jeez, you're a tough one. If I'm in the area and I'm craving a meatball sandwich, this is the spot. I liked it a lot. We had a bonus, dude. He brought us out a little bit of his pasta salad too.
I'd come back for the pasta.
That was good.
Pasta salad on point.
Jerry's Deli. Good job, Jerry. You're on to something here. I think Z's right. I think Sessions still on top. Jerry's isn't too far off, that's for sure. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Check out my dirt bike channel. We have a good time over there. You already know it. Much love to all the Patreons. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please, Support the channel partners. You know how to do that. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. Catch you next week. Later. Oh, I forgot to say, if you guys are in the Orange County area and you know of a fabulous meatball sandwich that you think we should try on this channel, let us know. Maybe we'll go check it out. We're on the mission.